Hello and welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the marijuana software Metrc tracked farm tools and help you understand how marijuana software works in conjunction with your Metrc account to ensure full Metrc compliance while making your business as simple and easy to run as possible. You can kind of think of us like TurboTax for the cannabis industry, where we take a lot of the stress and frustration off of your shoulders and make it very, very easy to run your business. I'm logged in here and you can see that at a glance, I can see all of my immature vegetative plants, all of my vegetative plants, any flowering plants I may have, my active harvests, my active packages, and then down at the bottom left, I have the ability to manage my different facilities as well as edit my account. And this is going to be where you put your Metrc API key in. So from your Metrc account in the top right, there's an option to generate API keys. And so when you click that button, and it's free to do, you'll generate a long string of letters and numbers that you'll copy and paste into your marijuana software account. And this is what allows all the information to transfer seamlessly to and from Metrc from marijuana software. From there, up at the top, you can pretty much just read left to right. You'll start with your rooms, and this is going to be wherever you are growing or storing your products. So you may have a greenhouse, you may have certain spaces outdoors, you may have warehouses, you may have a drying room, anything like that. You would come in and you would create the room and then save it here. Once you've done that, then you want to go through and add the strains that you grow. And so within the strains, you can add strains, give it a name, select the testing status, if you know the THC and CBD levels, as well as the indica and sativa percentages, and then save that strain. Once you're done with that, the next piece is going to be your planting. So when you first start a new planting, you come in, there's a brown button that says create new planting, and you're going to give it a name. You're going to say whether you started the plants from clone or from seed, how many of those plants you're growing, what strain they are, and where in your facility you're growing those. So what room, and then create that planting. Once you have a planting, you can easily change the phase of the plants from your clone to vegetative or flowering. Keep in mind that once you move it to vegetative or flowering, it is going to require your Metrc tag number. But let's say you have 600 plants. You just want to put the first starting Metrc tag number there, and then it'll automatically assign the remaining tags through the rest of your 600 plants. Also from this section, if you need to split a batch or destroy a batch, you can do that here as well. If we click into the vegetative plants, again from here, you can change the phase, you can destroy, you can create a new planting, or you can manicure or harvest. So if you're going to manicure or harvest your plants, you select what plant it is, your unit of weight. You're going to weigh that plant, show where you're drying it, and give it a harvest name. Manicure is if you're not harvesting the entire plant. Harvesting is harvesting the entire plant. With marijuana software, you do have the ability to create a plant batch package. So this allows you to package a whole lot of plants at the same time. Once you've harvested, then within your harvests, you can see you can create packages, remove waste, or finish the harvest. If you create a package, that'll require a tag number. You'll show what the unit of weight is, your production batch number, if you need any remediation, and then all the different harvest pieces that you're harvesting. And then you can create that package. Marijuana software does offer the option to create transfers from within our software. However, with Metrc compliance states, it's important to generate your transfers and your delivery manifest directly from Metrc to stay in compliance.